Action without thought is empty. Thought without action is blind.
Girls, we have gathered here to talk about human rights, not to gossip.
And that's exactly what we are doing, exercising our freedom of speech.
Sorry, but where did you get this ridiculous idea?
Well, I'm a journalist. I may have some information that you may not be privy to.
There's something I want to talk to you about.
Is there something I need to know?
Now, a key aspect of the mandate of this assembly is to engage investors, both local and foreign.
You know, we have had situations where investors pulled the plug on a project at the last minute due to circumstances.
She is your responsibility now. You have to find a way to protect her.
Why? Is there a reason for me to be afraid?
No. Yes.
So is this the guy everybody is hailing in the constituency as a redeemer?
Okay. I bet you're not prepared for this.
Omanbapa.